Hello everybody, hope that you're great and having an amazing time. Right now we are at Dhalarmore. This place is called Dhalarmore in Faridpur district, okay? You can see there are a lot of people here and there is a festive environment going on, okay? Because today is the last day of this year. Today is the last day of 2021 and tomorrow will be the first day of 2022. That's why we are enjoying a lot and there is a festive going on and the festival's name is Kite Festive. Are you familiar with this festive? I think so. There is a Kite Festive is going on. You can see there are a lot of people here behind me around the place and there are a lot of kites. Though we do not have a kite yet, but we will have a kite, we will buy a kite, then we will fly the kite over the sky, okay, very soon, because we are enjoying a lot and the place is really festive place, you can see, and this is a really famous place in Faridpur. If you are from Faridpur, maybe you are quite acquainted with this place. This is called Dhalarmore, okay, and the place is really big and there are a lot of bunch of people are there. There are plenty of people are there who are roaming around, who are hanging out, who are taking especially selfies, and maybe you are getting some noise from this video because though I'm using Boya M1 microphone, but there are a lot of people, that's why you are getting some noises. Don't get me wrong, please try to watch the video and please try to enjoy the video and try to enjoy this environment. You can see, just look around here, there are a lot of people and the place, oh my gosh, it's amazing, it's breathtaking, okay? Over there is there is a mount, okay, there is a stage. In a few moments, with a very short time, there will be a concert, maybe there will be a music concert, okay? And there are a lot of people. I'm really enjoying the place. I am really enjoying the place a lot, okay? Are you enjoying your New Year? Though this is not 31st night, this is the late afternoon, but within a very short moment there will be evening, okay, and we'll be enjoying a lot, and we are here to enjoy, here to celebrate the festive. The festive's name is Kite Festive, okay? So please look just look around, okay? Try to enjoy the moment, okay? You do not need to see me, just try to enjoy the moment. There are a lot of people, maybe there are thousands of people are here who are enjoying, who are taking selfies, who are riding bikes, who are flying kites, and this is called Kite Festival. This is called Kite Festival. They are enjoying and we are enjoying a lot. Maybe after finishing the video, we will have a kite, we will buy a kite, then we will fly the kite over the sky. Okay, so now you can enjoy the moment. Just look around, just look at the people, look at the crowd. There is a huge crowd. Look at the crowd, okay? There is a huge crowd. Different types of people are there and they have come from different type of area, and oh my god, okay, there is an interruption, sorry for the inconvenience. There are different type of people from different type of area. Of course they are from Faridpur, okay, and we are in Faridpur right now. As I am Faridpurian, my hometown is Faridpur. Maybe you are quite acquainted with this, so I think this video is gonna be a bit longer. Don't get me wrong, just try to enjoy the video, keep watching the video. I hope you are enjoying a lot, and I think that's all. I will try to catch some clips, some good clips, maybe late in the evening or late in the afternoon, then I will show you, I will add the clip with this video. That's all for today, and I'm so sorry because of the inconvenience, because of the interruption, because the video was suddenly cut off because my iPhone was showing that the storage is full. That's why I have to make this video again with my another mobile phone. Okay, this phone is MI A3. Okay, whatever, this video is getting very longer. I do not want to make this video any more longer. I just want to show you one last time the scenery, the environment, the festive is going on. Okay, there is a really festive kite festive is going on, and the environment, the situation, and what to say, is breathtaking, eye-catching, and phenomenal, mesmerizing. I'm really impressed with this environment. Okay, there are a lot of kites, there are a lot of people, they're enjoying. Okay, and I'm enjoying too, and I'm really grateful and thankful to my friend who is helping me to make this video. Okay, and he is none other than he is M. Dariful Islam, and I always mention his name on the caption when I upload my video, all my videos. He always helped me to make videos. I'm really grateful and thankful to you, my friend. Okay, so that's all of it for now. I will try to add some clips with this video. Okay, just keep watching the video. Just keep watching the video, and I will try to add some clips when it's evening and when it's, late evening. Okay, I'll try to show you some great moments, some great pictures, some great scenarios, some great, what to say, some great festive that is going on. Okay, just for now, peace.